In the fast-paced world we live in, it's easy to forget the power that nature has to offer. Imagine walking through a lush forest, breathing in the earthy scents of wild herbs, and realizing those very plants could hold the key to your health. In 2025, herbal remedies are experiencing a resurgence, not just as a nostalgic throwback, but as a science-backed solution to many of our modern ailments. Let's dive into the world of herbs and explore how these natural wonders are more relevant today than ever before. So let's start the video. Why herbal remedies? Because your grandma knew best. We've all heard it. Back in my day, we used herbs for everything. But Grandma wasn't just making up stories, she had a treasure chest of herbal wisdom. Herbal medicine, which has been practiced for thousands of years across cultures, has seen a rise in popularity in recent years, thanks to a renewed interest in holistic healing. From teas to tinctures, herbal remedies work in harmony with the body's natural processes, providing support rather than suppressing symptoms. Scientific research has proven the effectiveness of plants like lavender for anxiety and peppermint for digestion. Herbalists and healthcare professionals alike are rediscovering what our ancestors already knew, that plants can be more than just pretty faces in your garden. Today, with the support of cutting-edge research, herbs like chamomile, echinacea, and ginseng are not only making waves, but also earning their place in modern medicine. The science behind the leaves. Now, before you start thinking this sounds like an old-school witchcraft session, let's look at some science. Many herbs contain active compounds that have demonstrated medicinal effects. For example, curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, has been shown in numerous studies to have anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. This isn't just some food trend. Turmeric's health benefits have been scientifically proven to help manage chronic pain and reduce inflammation. And it's not alone. Ashwagandha, known for its stress-reducing benefits, works by balancing the body's stress hormone, cortisol. This herb is gaining widespread attention in 2025 for its ability to help people cope with daily stress while enhancing endurance and energy levels. Scientific backing is transforming herbal remedies from folklore to a serious contender in the world of modern medicine. So, the next time you sip on that ginger tea, know that you're sipping on centuries of wisdom, now confirmed by cutting-edge science. Top herbal remedies to spice up your health. Let's talk about the herbs that have earned their place in 2025's Health Spotlight. You've probably heard of them, but do you really know how they work? Take ashwagandha, for instance. This herb isn't just a stress buster. It has a whole host of benefits that go far beyond relaxation. Studies suggest that ashwagandha can enhance muscle strength and improve body composition, making it popular among fitness enthusiasts. In fact, research published in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition revealed that it significantly improves strength and endurance in athletes. And then there's black cohosh, a favorite for women going through menopause. This herb is packed with compounds that mimic estrogen in the body, which helps alleviate symptoms like hot flashes and mood swings. But be careful, overuse can cause digestive discomfort, so moderation is key. Licorice root is another powerhouse in the world of herbal remedies. With its sweet taste and long history in traditional medicine, licorice has been used to soothe sore throats, reduce stomach ulcers, and even treat liver disease. But here's the kicker. Too much licorice can lead to high blood pressure, so enjoy it in moderation. And if you're looking for something to boost your energy levels and improve mood, maca root should be on your radar. This Peruvian herb is gaining popularity for its potential to balance hormones and increase stamina, making it a top choice for those dealing with fatigue. Whether you're a busy professional or a student pulling all-nighters, maca is your go-to natural energy booster. Brewing your own herbal magic. Creating your own herbal remedies is more than just a fun hobby. It's empowering. Imagine brewing your own immune-boosting tea right in your kitchen. You can easily combine turmeric, ginger, and honey to create a natural remedy that not only tastes great, but also supports your overall well-being. Herbal teas are an easy gateway to starting your own herbal health journey, and the best part? You can customize them to suit your specific needs. Want a relaxing night? Chamomile and lavender are perfect. Need a little pick-me-up? Peppermint or ginger can help invigorate your senses. Plus, brewing your own remedies gives you control over the ingredients. Unlike store-bought concoctions that can be loaded with preservatives and sweeteners, homemade herbal teas and tinctures are as pure as nature intended. With just a few simple herbs, you can create your own personal pharmacy, tailored to your exact needs. Herbal remedies in the modern age. The beauty of herbal remedies lies in their timelessness. But in 2025, we're seeing a marriage of tradition with technology. Advances in phytotherapy, plant-based medicine, have allowed scientists to isolate and study the active compounds in herbs with precision. For instance, herbal supplements like ashwagandha and turmeric are now available in highly concentrated and standardized forms, making it easier to ensure proper dosing. Companies are also turning to new delivery methods like herbal-infused oils, capsules, and even transdermal patches, allowing people to harness the power of plants without the hassle of brewing or blending. And don't forget about the explosion of wellness apps and devices that help track your herbal consumption and overall health. These innovations make it easier than ever to incorporate herbal remedies into your busy life while ensuring you're getting the maximum benefit. A word of caution: herbal doesn't mean harmless. Herbal remedies may seem natural, but that doesn't mean they're risk-free. It's crucial to understand that just because something is natural doesn't mean it's automatically safe. For example, licorice root may be great for soothing sore throats, but excessive consumption can interfere with your blood pressure and potassium levels. Similarly, echinacea, often used to boost immunity, can cause allergic reactions in people sensitive to daisies, ragweed, or chrysanthemums. Always consult with a healthcare provider before diving into any herbal regimen, especially if you're already on medication or dealing with chronic health issues. While herbs can be incredibly beneficial, it's important to remember that they work best when used as part of a balanced approach to health, not as a quick fix. Embracing the green revolution. As we move further into 2025, it's clear that herbal remedies are no longer a relic of the past. They're a vital part of modern healthcare. These natural healers offer a safer, sustainable alternative to synthetic drugs, with fewer side effects and long-lasting benefits. Whether you're battling stress, trying to improve your sleep, or simply looking to boost your energy, there's an herb out there for you. As science continues to validate the medicinal properties of herbs, we can expect even more people to embrace the green revolution. So, next time you're feeling under the weather, why not try a natural remedy? Who knows? That cup of chamomile tea might just be the cure you've been searching for. Disclaimer: while herbal remedies are often beneficial, always consult with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment regimen. Herbs can interact with medications and may not be suitable for everyone, especially pregnant women, children, and those with underlying health conditions. And there you have it, folks. The powerful world of herbal remedies is not only fascinating, but also packed with health benefits that nature has been offering for centuries. If you enjoyed this video green journey into the world of herbs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated.